Two-wheeler stocks, they are under pressure as the Vahan Retail Data indicates slower growth. TVS, though, is outperforming. Sonia joins in with the numbers. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. So, interestingly, the two-wheeler data that has come through, right, from Vahan up until 19th of February indicates that the growth is still very, very slow. So, the retail growth is just at 5% for the two-wheeler space in the first 19 days of February. And growth has moderated from 14% that we saw in January to just 5% in February. So that's a slowdown. In fact, Jan plus Feb till date year-on-year, the growth in two-wheelers stands at 11% year-on-year. The passenger vehicle data is even slower. The growth is just at about 2% year-on-year. But the stock I'm watching is TVS Motor. There's been a big outperformance that TVS has seen compared to the rest of the auto industry. It is sitting at a fresh record high as well. This is because market share of TVS Motor is rising, astronomically in the electric vehicle space. So just take a look at this. In FY18, TVS Motor had 2% market share in the electric vehicle two-wheeler space. And today, in Jan of 2024, the market share has risen to 18.7%. Now, this rise is purely because of one product, which is the TVS iQube, which has now become the fastest selling electric vehicle in the two-wheeler space. iQube has helped TVS Motor become the number 2 EV OEM in this space after Ola, which has a market share of over 30%. TVS now has a market share of 19% in this space. In fact, we'll just take a look at the electric two-wheeler market share as of Jan 2024. Ola tops the charts with almost 39.5% share. TVS Motor comes second at 18.7%, Bajaj Auto at 13.2% and Ather Energy at 11.3%. So, the astronomical rise of TVS Motor in this space is really something that auto enthusiasts are sitting up and taking notice. The only problem I feel is the valuation picture. So, just pull up the, the stock as well for you. I'll tell you quickly on the valuations. It's trading at 39.7 times FY25 and 34 times FY26, which is well above its historic average and much above peers like Hero and Bajaj, which trade at about 17 to 20 times. Back to you.
Okay, thank you very much for that, Deepak Shenoy.